Brig Ramshow, dear students, today we are going to study pronominal suffixes added to the singular forms. Pronominal suffixes are the shortened forms of pronouns. Pronominal suffixes are the shortened forms of pronouns attached to the stem or root of the noun, attached to the stem or root of the noun to denote their possessive case. Pronominal suffixes are the shortened forms of pronouns attached to the stem or root of the nouns to denote their possessive case. The stem or root is formed by dropping the last vowel and olaf of a noun. The stem or root is formed by dropping a last vowel and olaf of a noun. For example, Malko. For example, Malko. Here the last vowel is O and the last letter is olaf. In order to get the stem or root, we are going to drop this olaf and O vowel. Then we will get the stem Malk. The stem here, the stem is Malk. Okay? Malk. The suffixes are added to the singular nouns are called pronominal suffixes, singular forms. The suffixes added to singular nouns are called the pronominal suffixes, singular forms. The suffixes added to the plural nouns are known as pronominal suffixes, plural forms. And there are exceptions. Here we are going to study pronominal suffixes, singular form, because Malko is singular form, singular noun. And here the pronominal suffix is added to singular form. Then we will get pronominal suffix, singular forms. How it is added? We see. For example, Malk with Yod. Malk with Yod. My king. My king. Then Malkok. Malkok. Kof, kof. End form kof and middle form kof. Malkok. Your king. Second person masculine, singular. Malkok. Then Malkek. Malkek. Malkek, your king. Second person, feminine, singular. Malkek. Then Malkeh. Malkeh, his king. Malkeh. Third person, masculine, singular. His king. Malkeh. Then Malkoha. Malkoha. Malkoha, third person, feminine, singular. Malkoha, third person, feminine, singular. Her king. Then Malkan. Malkan, our king. First person, common, plural. Malkan, our king. Then Malkukun. Malkukun. Second person, masculine, plural. Malkukun, your king. Then Malkukain. Malkukain, your king. Second person, feminine, plural. Malkukain. Then Malkuhun. Malkuhun. Third person, masculine, plural. Malkuhun, their king. Then Malkhen. Malkhen. Third person feminine plural. Third person feminine plural. Their king. Malkhen. Okay, see how the pronominal suffix singular form is added to Malko. Here the noun Malko is singular and the singular form pronominal suffix is added to Malko, the singular form. Malk with Yud, Malkok, Malkek, Malkek, Malkoh, Malkan, Malkukun, Malkukain, Malkuhun, Malkhen. Okay, good. Then we are going to see how the pronominal suffix plural forms are added. For example, here Malke is plural form. Malke is plural form. Malke. Malko singular, Malke plural. The pronominal suffix added to the plural nouns is known as pronominal suffix plural form. Okay, how it is applied? There is a slight difference. See the difference? For example, the stem is Malk. Malk, stem. We dropped a vowel and a aleph. The last a vowel and aleph is dropped. Then we will get Malk. But it is plural form. Then we will add like this. Malkai. Malkai. Here only yod, but here there is a a vowel. Malkai. Here Malk with yod, here Malkai. Malkai means my kings. My kings, plural form Malkai. Then Malkaik. 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 There is a yod. Okay? Malkaik. Aik. Malkaik. A plus yod. I. Malkaik. Ka plus yod. Kai. Malkaik. Malkaik is second person masculine singular. Malkaik. You are kings. Then Malkaik with yod. Malkaik with yod. You are kings. Second person feminine singular. Malkaik. Then Malkau. Then Malkau. How it is written? Malkau. Malkau. There is a line. Under beneath the letter He. Malkau. See? Malkau. Third person masculine singular. His kings. His kings. Then Malkeh. Malkeh. Yod. Malkeh. Long A. Malkeh. Here Malkeh is third person masculine singular. Here Malkeh is third person feminine singular. Her kings. Okay? See the difference? Malkeh, third person feminine singular. Malkeh, her kings. Then Malkain. Malkain, our kings. Malkain, our kings. Malkaikun. Malkaikun. Malkaikun, your kings. Malkaikun. Then Malkaikain. Malkaikain, your kings. Second person feminine plural. Malkaikain. Malkaikun. See the difference? Then Malkaikun. Malkaihun. Third person masculine plural. Malkaihun. Their kings. Then Malkaihain. 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 Their kings. See, the pronominal suffix singular form and a plural form. How they are differentiated. See the difference? The plural form ending in I with yod, aw, ein, aikun, aiken, aihun, aiken. But here the singular form, yod, ok, ek, ok, ka, an, kun, kain, hun, hen. Okay? For example, malko, malk with yod, malkok, malkek, malkeh, malkoch, malkan, malkukun, malkukain, malkuhun, malkuhen. Then the plural form, malke, malkai, malkaik, malkaik with yod, malkau, malkeh, malkain, malkaikun, malkaikain, malkaihun, malkaihen. Okay? Dear students, study well. Pronominal suffixes. Pronominal suffixes are the shortened forms of pronouns attached to the stem or root of the noun to denote their possessive case. The stem or root is formed by dropping the last vowel or aleph of a noun. Dropping the last vowel and aleph of a noun. The suffixes added to the singular nouns are called pronominal suffixes, singular forms. The suffixes added to the plural nouns are known as pronominal suffixes, plural forms. And there are exceptions. See, pronominal suffixes are the shortened forms of pronouns attached to the stem or root of the noun. It denotes possessive case. The root or stem is formed by dropping the last vowel and the aleph of a noun. Suffixes added to the singular nouns are called pronominal suffixes, singular forms. Suffixes added to the plural nouns are called pronominal suffixes, plural forms. There are pronominal suffixes, singular forms, pronominal suffixes, plural forms, and exceptions. See, pronominal suffixes, singular forms. Malko. Malko means king. Malk with yod. Malk. It is pronounced as malk, but there is a yod at the end. Malk with yod means my king. Possessive case, my king. Malkok, your king. Second person, masculine singular. Malkek, there is a yod at the end. Malkek, feminine singular, second person. Malkek, your king. Malke, his king, third person, masculine singular. Malkoh, there is a dot above he. Malkoh, feminine singular, third person. Malkoh, her king. Malkan, our king. Malkukun, your king. Malkukain, your king, second person, feminine plural. Malkukain. Malkuhun, third person, masculine singular, masculine plural. Malkuhun, third person, masculine plural. Malkuhun, their king. Malkuhain, their king. Pronominal suffixes added, plural form. Pronominal suffix, plural form. See, Malke. Malke means plural, kings. It is denoted with plural sign. Malke, Siome, Ribui. Malke, kings. See the difference in singular and plural forms. Plural forms, Malkai, Malkaik, Malkaik with yod, Malkau, Malkeh, Malkain, Malkaikun, Malkaikain, Malkaihun, Malkaihe. See, Malkai, not Malk with yod, but Malkai, plural form. Aik, Aik with yod, Au, Ein, Aikun, Aiken, Aihun, Aiken. See the plural form endings. Malkai, my kings. Malkaik, your kings. Second person, masculine, singular. Your kings. Malkaik with yod. Your kings. Second person, feminine, singular. Malkau. Third person, masculine, singular. His kings. Malkau. See how it is written? Malkau. There is a line beneath the he. The second last letter. The second last letter, he, is denoted with a line beneath the letter, which means the he is not pronounced. Malkau, his kings. Malke. Here it is a feminine form. Malke. A with yod. Malke. And a he with a dot above the letter. He is not pronounced. Malke. But there is he. Malke. Malke means her kings. Malke. Her kings. Third person, feminine, singular. Malkain, our kings. Malkaikun. Second person, masculine, plural. Malkaikun, your kings. Malkaikain, your kings. Malkaihun, their kings. Malkaihain, their kings. Malkaihun, Malkaihain, their kings. Okay, one is masculine plural and the other one is feminine plural. Okay, see once again, understand well, study well. Thank you.